Hello everyone, welcome to my Power Tool channel. Today I gonna introduce the Makita circular saw of the product of the 18 volt. This is the battery, yes, 18 volt 3 ampere and with a fast charger DC 18 RC. Yes, this is a fast charger and show all the what the situation of the battery. Yes, this is also have the broken battery, broken fan, and this is connect to electricity. This one is the fan is starting. This one is the charging situation. They have the three charging situation. This is the battery, lithium ion, Makita 18 volt 3 ampere lithium ion. Okay, this is the situation. You see, this is red. You see this one is just charged, and this is nearly full of the battery, and then yes, and then this is a full. Yes, this green light is full, and then we see on this also. Yes, this is a fuel gate. Okay, I will bring it. I have the circular saw. Yes, this is a circular saw that I want to show you. Easy to cut for the home user and then DIY or the workshop also. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is a Makita circular saw DHS660. This is a diameter cutting blade 165 millimeter. Yeah. Okay. See, this is a Makita Carbide tip blade for wood. Yes, this is for cut the wood circular saw, and then the code number A5117, and then this is a diameter 165, and then this is the ball diameter ball for insert the to cut with the tool 1.5, and then this this is a thickness 1.5, the thickness of the blade. Yes, and then 20 millimeter. This is the ball. This is here, and then 24 T. Mean that this blade is 24 T. Yes. Okay. This is a circular saw, the frame of one, and then this is a hook for easy to carry and hang up at the job site. And then this product also the brushless motor, Makita battery tool and brushless motor, BL motor, brushless motor, and then this is the brake. Yes, of course, the circular saw after using when we use and then if the time of stop is more extended, and then we difficult to use and the job site. Yes, this is a brake one. I will show you the brake, and then this is the depth of cutting. We can adjust depth of cutting. For example, we can cut only 5 or something, and then we can select whatever what you want. Yes, and then I will. Yes, this is the battery. I will insert to the tool. Easy. Yeah, like this. And then this letter also write down brushless motor. Yes, a brushless. Yes, on the battery also have fuel gate. This is a battery gate. Yes. Yes, this is show what situation of the battery. I mean how many power inside the battery, and then we in this tool also show the technology of the Makita product called ADT, automatic torque dry technology. This is for the cutting when we cutting the hardwood, and then we meet the obstacle, and then we this motor will start this technology. Yes, the speed is dropped down, and then this tool will increase the torque. Yes, torque means the power. Okay, and then this is a nozzle for attach with the vacuum. Yes, because the product does not have like this. I mean, difficult when we cut, it's dust on the user. Yes, so, and for the base, you see the base is the aluminum, and on the base also have the you know, the metal, the point of the metal also we can measure on this. Okay, and then this is just the angle bevel. Yeah. You know, bevel mean that like this. For example, the compound meter saw has two types. It's a bevel and meter. Okay. Okay. And then for the the material we cut. Yes. Actually, the product have the capacity of the cutting here, of the cut real material or something. But this one is for this angle we can cut until 57 millimeter thickness of the wood. Yes, thickness of the wood for like this, and then we can change degree. Yeah, degree we can change here. Sorry. Yes, you can change here degree. 45, 30, 15, and 0. Yeah. If we change the position of degree is 45, we can cut the wood until 41 thickness. Yes, thickness of the wood 41. Yes, easy to carry. One hang on. Yes, and then about the soft start. Also, this product, when we start the motor, is the rotation speed start from 0 to the limit speed of this product. You know, I mean, this product is no low speed around 5,000. Yes, 5,000. 5,000. I mean, a rotation speed when this tool does not touch with the job. Yeah, I mean material like a wood, hard wood, plywood, or whatever. And then this product, lightweight. Yes, lightweight. Only 3.2 kilogram. Sorry, 3.2 kilogram. Yes, lightweight. Can carry one hand. And then when we're using at the job site, outdoor, we touch with the dust and water, whatever. Yes, and then this product also have technology like HPT. Makita called HPT mean extreme protection technology. This technology, I mean, this tool can protect some of the dust and the water. I mean dripping. Yes, dripping inside. For example, this side is don't have the grab into the motor, and this one is this one to protect here. Okay. Oh, one more thing is the Makita produce a product with the like this, the black one. This is a soft ergonomic grip. Yes, this is prevent the user fatigue. Yeah, fatigue and sick on user hand. Yes, and this is a lock. Yeah, lock and safety. Sorry, this is safety switch. I mean, before we use the tool, we need to know clearly about the tool. know clearly about the tool, because the tool, when we touch it, we need to use it by carefully, and then if the touch with the job side, then this is before we using, we read instruction manual, and then we see that this is a safety switch. Safety switch means before we start the motor, we need to push this one. Yeah. Okay. And then this is a yes. Also have the LED light. Yes. I mean, Makita product are producing the with LED light important with the user when they use at the job site, and the job site is look like dark, and then they use this one. They have this tool has the LED light to make the lighter in at the job site and in the material with we cut. Okay. Yeah, this is a brake technology. When I push off the tool, I switch. I take off from switch. The tool stop immediately. Okay, good. Good. You see? Yeah, fantastic. Okay. Do you like it? For me, I think this product are awesome for the wood user. I mean, carpenter, for the user at home, DIY or whatever. Yes, for me, only that is. And if have any question, please comment below and then subscribe my video. Hello, goodbye.